Just wait. What's up, guys? Hello, my name is Nicole or Joslin, and I am a third-year college student taking a BA Behavioral Sciences in UP Manila. It's 2020 and I started the day really well. Honestly, I spent it with family and everything. It's a new decade, so I don't know, I feel like it's just the same thing. Every day is a new beginning, but this is like a big statement. It's a new beginning. So I would love to know how you guys spent your New Year's. You can comment down below. I just spend it with family. But New Year's is actually when we give our gifts to each other, like sa big family ko. And that is why ngayon ako mag-open ng gifts. So I'm just gonna be opening the gifts. I am not bragging or anything. I actually don't know what's inside my gift, so it's gonna be a surprise. And since sobrang dami namin sa family, we don't really get each other like super expensive things anyway, unless it's like a special occasion, like let's say someone's getting married or like someone's at a certain age to receive something. It's just it's hit or miss really, but I appreciate just us being able to give each other gifts and celebrating like welcoming the new year like as a family. And so I'm gonna be opening a bunch of stuff now, including some gifts that I got besides yung big family exchange gift party namin. Okay, so now let's open the gifts. So the first one is kind of already open. This is from Able PH. It's a hand-woven cloth from Ilocos. Ooh! Pwede siyang parang towel or throw. Uy, bagay sa dress ko. Thank you very much. Next is this gift from my Tita Ayet. It's a Kate Spade pouch. Cool. Oh, it opens like this. It has 3 compartments, so pwedeng cards, coins, and bills. Thank you. Next is from my Ate Anna and Tom. This is a tapestry. Oh! It's a Libra! I'm a Libra, guys. Wow! I love thoughtful gifts. Thank you so much. This is so nice. Okay. Wow, so it's a Libra tapestry. I'm a Libra. I was born on October 6th. Ooh, okay, I'll hang this probably on a wall somewhere. Thank you. Next, it pretty much says it right here. This is from my Tita Dinda and Tita Bella. Ooh. Oh! My cousins and I were just talking about how like as you grow older, bigla na lang nakaka-excite na yung mga hand cream, soaps, shampoos. Like nung bata, parang hindi ka masyadong excited. Parang pera na lang sana. But now it's just like really exciting to get soaps and hand creams and lotions. And oh, it smells so good. Wow. Yeah, Vervine. Thank you so much. I love it. And I love the bag also. Next, I got this gift from Ate Trixie and Kuya Ross. So let's open it up. Oh wow! Oh, solid. Nice. I can actually I can use this for my planner because I was gonna plan on just like using pencils for my planners because I realized that in 2019 ang dami kong erasures that I found really bothering and overwhelming. Like when I look at my week, parang feeling ko ang daming kailangan gawin, but really it's just like a few things. It's just na ang dami na cross out na things. So looking at my planner with everything written on it, even if I don't need to do it, parang it's really overwhelming. So I said na I'm gonna use pencils so I can just erase it. But I didn't actually think of this. This is so cool. I can erase it. These are pens and then I can write and still erase. This is so thoughtful. Parang, oh, I love thoughtful gifts. Oh, thank you, Ate Trixie and Kuya Ross. Okay, the next one, I kind of already peeked from it, so I know what it is, but let's just open it completely now. Yeah, orange then. So this is just a TSA luggage strap lock for my luggage, and I'm excited to use this because this year I will be traveling a lot kasi naayos na yung passport ko finally, and I'm excited to use this. It's in orange and it has my name on it. So this is gonna be very useful this year. Thank you so much. Lastly, it was in this bag, but this is where I put all my gifts, so it just kind of fell out. I got an eyelash curler from Laura Mercier. This is from Ate Michelle and Kuya Ryan, so thank you so much. I've actually, like, there was a time when I really wanted an eyelash curler like this, so I'm very excited to use it. How do you, I don't know how. Oh, it's like, cool. Thank you. Okay, next up, gifts that I didn't really get from the Christmas New Year party, but dalawa lang naman. First is an ampao from my tito. This is actually one of the only 2 ampaos that I received. And then I got, this is from Bianca. You guys know Bianca. If you're already a Josa, you probably know Bianca. I don't think that she has ever not been in any of my college vlogs, but yeah, she gave me, so thoughtful, because Happy New Year. She bought this cotton on what's it called, tote bag, and I was like, oh my god, I want a cotton on tote bag, but I never actually got around to actually buying one. So she got me one. She got me a cotton on tote bag. I love thoughtful gifts. I know I keep on saying it, but isn't it nice na like someone remembers things? And then anyway, she got me earrings also, and I've already used this. I went to the beach. Super cute. Happy New Year. And then she also got me a keychain with a mirror and the letter J for Joslin. I received other gifts also, but I kind of already opened them and used them and can't find them. My Christmas gift to myself is I'm gonna be buying tickets to a concert, like to a festival, music festival, Wonderland. I really want to go, so that's gonna be my Christmas gift to myself kasi ang mahal ng ticket. Once again, I hope that this didn't come off as bragging or anything. A lot of YouTubers do videos like this, and I just felt like I wanted to make one too, and I just want to share that with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please make sure to click the thumbs up, and if you have any more video suggestions or requests, please make sure to comment it down below. And thank you so much for all your Happy New Year's greetings. I hope that you can subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, if you're not yet a Josa. I'm excited to post new videos this year, and also I just wanted to share with you guys na I don't know yet. I don't know if I'm a college scholar yet. There was a problem with my last grade, so I'm hoping that it can go higher because my college scholar thing really depends on this last grade, and there was a problem with it. So if it is resolved, I'm gonna be a college scholar, but if not, you know, that's okay. I know in my heart that I already made it, so I'm gonna just do even better this year. I feel like one of my New Year's resolutions talaga is better time management, because that's something that I had a hard time with last semester because so many other things popped up and I didn't expect it. So I need to make sure that I make, you know, time then for things that just pop up, things that I don't expect. And so with that also, I kind of want to do more sports this year. Not really like working out or just to lose weight or anything. I just really want to do a sport. I find that doing sports actually really boosts my mood and also my productivity, and so I feel like it'll be a good addition to my schedule, to my habits. And what else did I want to do this year? I wanted to record more songs, more of my songs. Like, I have so many songs, guys. If you don't know, I am a singer-songwriter. I do have a Spotify where I post songs that I've recorded, and I have so many unrecorded songs that I've written. Parang super dami talaga, and I feel like that's one thing that I really want to focus on this year, which is my music. If you guys want to support me, that would be pretty cool too. Just like, I'll leave my Spotify link down below as usual. 2020 will be an adventure for me. Oh my gosh, I'm so optimistic about this year, and I hope that you guys are as well. I'm wishing all of you peace and bright perspective. I feel like I've messaged this to a lot of people, and it really defines what I wish for everybody this year. Peace and bright perspective. So with that, I'm gonna leave you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till my next one, I love you guys so much. Hugs and besos. Bye.
I got a feeling that we got a chemistry. Give me what's on your mind.